Welcome back to our channel, Survival Life and Digital Delights. For this video, I will put together how best you can go online to apply for the Pacific Engagement Ballot. So we'll do my application together so you would know how best or where to go online to get this apply for this Pacific Engagement Ballot. Get yourself onto a laptop or phone and you can go and log in. You can type immigrations Australia, or you can type Pacific Engagement Ballot to get you onto the website. So you can, this is the website. Choose this. Okay, we are here and you see this is the Immigration and Citizenship homepage. So this is the homepage of the Immigrations and Citizenship. So what we are looking for, Pacific Engagement Ballot, would be under visa. So let's go to visas here, click on it, and then you can go to getting a visa here and go down to the list of visas. So now you're in the page. So this would be under work or skill visa. Let's see under Pacific Engagement. Subclass 192. So we went into the website. Let's repeat the steps. We went into the website. We went into the list of visas under visa. And now we clicked on under work visa. We click on Pacific Engagement Visa subclass 192. Okay, so we are here. And this would be the first, will be the first step. So this is where we're interested in. This is what we're gonna click for this part of the video. Okay, let's click on the application for ballot. Okay. Let's go into our Immi account. Let's enter our credentials. Click on login. We are in the log page. Let's click on continue. And I have a status of previous visa here, the home page. Let's go to new application. And the new application, you see this is under new application tab. So let's go to visa pre-application registration. And the new application tab, we go to visa pre-application registration. Click on it. And then you see this is the registration for Pacific Engagement Visa 192. And there we are registering for the Pacific Engagement Visa. So read the terms and conditions and the security these statements. Make sure you find time to read it. But for now, let's go straight into this. And then let's go into entering the details. Okay. So it asks me, I declare that I hold a valid passport. I am not a citizen of New Zealand. So make sure to go back and check everything that is being provided, you are providing, and make sure the surname, everything is spelled correctly, your first name and the date of birth as per your passport, and as well as the passport number, expiry date, and all those. Okay, so let's click submit. And now it's saying for us to pay. So let's say we'll be using the debit card. So let's click on debit. If you're using PayPal, you can click here. When Union, you can click there. Fill in the required fields. Submit. Yay! Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's free. And if you want to know the process on how to apply for a Pacific Engagement Visa, create yourself an Immi account online. I will leave a link, the links in the video's description below. Go click on that link and it will guide you through the process of visa application as well as the Immi account creation. Thanks again, and I hope to see you in the next video.